Hi, are you someone who's tired of textured bumpy skin and is looking a solution for it? Then the right exfoliating product will be the solution, the ultimate solution for textured bumpy skin, even enlarged pores. And are you even wondering what kind of exfoliation is the best for your skin type? So let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kour from CureSkin with wide experience in treating skin and hair disorders. So today we'll be talking about enlarged pores, textured skin, and what kind of exfoliating products are perfect for you. Let's talk about why exfoliation is important. So exfoliation really removes the dead skin layers, the surface of the skin, and it not only helps in improving the skin tone as well as unclogging your pores, evening out the surface and texture of the skin, but at the same time the subsequent skincare products, maybe your serums, your moisturizers, whatever actives, prescriptive strength products you are going to apply on your face will be absorbed and penetrated much better. So let's talk about types of exfoliators. They are broadly classified into two types, that is physical exfoliators and then the chemical exfoliators. So physical exfoliators have a rough, gritty ingredient in it, like the texture of sugar, salt, or coffee scrubs. So they have a manual approach for removal of dead skin cells from the skin. So as far as chemical exfoliants are concerned, there are different types, again, subtypes in it. There could be an AHA based formula, maybe combination of AHA and BHA. So what is that? AHA is alpha hydroxy acid and BHA is beta hydroxy acid. So it has subvariants in it. Depending on your skin type, you can select a formula for you. Usually if you have very oily skin, really congested skin type, enlarged pores, then salicylic acid based, which is a BHA based formula, should work for you wonderfully. Other than that, if you have really dry skin, it just lacks a little bit of glow, then lactic acid based formulas are wonderful for that. So it's a mild peel, lactic acid, and if you have very sensitive skin, for sensitive skin type, it's always better to go for mandelic acid or maybe light percentage of lactic acid based formula. Too much of everything is bad for your skin type, so make sure that you're using the right ingredients, but at the same time the frequency is also fine. Sometimes if you're using a very harsh formula or something which has a lot of active in it, though it might suit somebody else's skin type, but it is not something which is compatible with yours. So a high concentrated alpha hydroxy acid, like a glycolic acid with 25 or 30% based formula, can really burn your skin and cause a lot of pigmentation, which can be really difficult for you to treat, and it might take years sometimes to really resolve. So make sure that you are really careful with chemical based formulas and go for milder options, but based on the frequencies, make sure that you're using it more rather than using a higher concentration formula. Whatever approach you have for exfoliating your skin, maybe a physical exfoliator or a chemical one, but exfoliating is very important. But make sure that it is according to your skin type. Like sometimes people who have very dry skin, and if they are over exfoliating, it can cause a lot of damage and pigmentation issues. So you have to be very careful, and it has to be in sync with your skin type as well. For oily, rough skin which has a lot of texture to it, really lots of comedons, then weekly twice exfoliation is fine. But if you have already smooth skin which just needs a slight bit of exfoliation, not a lot, then definitely it's better to do it once in a month. The choice of exfoliation is absolutely your personal choice, but as a dermatologist or skincare specialist, I can suggest what goes best with the skin types, and it's up to you which one you want to go for. But exfoliation is must. It's an absolutely mandatory thing for your skin to do. No matter if you have even very sensitive skin, you can go for a mandelic acid based formula. So that's up to you. So I hope this video solves all your exfoliant related questions, and in case if you have any doubts, you can ask your questions in the comment section and we'll try to answer each one of them. And for more videos like this, informative content, do follow us and subscribe us.